Welcome, adventure lovers and water enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of inflatable kayaks, focusing on the top 5 inflatable touring kayaks 2025, best picks for long-distance paddling. Whether you are a seasoned paddler or just starting out, these kayaks offer the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and performance for your next water journey. All product links are available in the description below, so you can easily find the best kayak that suits your needs. Let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Driftsun Almanor inflatable kayak stands out as a top choice for those seeking long-distance touring performance in a lightweight and portable form. Designed specifically for recreational and touring use, the Almanor series features an extended waterline that enhances tracking and allows for smooth, efficient glides across flat water and mild ocean chop. Whether you are spending the day exploring a calm lake or navigating coastal waters, this kayak delivers steady performance with every paddle stroke. Built for comfort as well as endurance, it includes 2 EVA-padded high-back seats that offer excellent cushioning and adjustability for long hours on the water. Constructed from rugged 600D polyester fabric, the hull offers impressive durability and UV protection, while the 24-gauge air bladders ensure superior safety and stability. Weighing just 33 pounds, it supports up to 400 pounds of combined weight, ideal for 2 adults, gear, or even a furry companion. The package includes everything needed to get started, such as 2 adjustable seats, dual-blade kayak paddles, a deluxe dual-action pump, quick-release fin, 2 footrests, and a travel bag. The kayak inflates in just 9 minutes and offers a pressure rating of 2 psi for side tubes and 1 psi for the floor, ensuring a firm and supportive ride. The Driftsun Almanor is a dependable inflatable touring kayak built for those who value comfort, durability, and convenience in their long-distance paddling adventures. Taking the 4th spot is the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak, a reliable and lightweight single-person kayak ideal for beginners and casual paddlers. Weighing only 26 pounds, this kayak is designed for ease of use and transport, making it perfect for lakes and mild river conditions. The Challenger K1 features a low-profile design that helps reduce wind resistance and improves paddling efficiency, allowing for smoother and easier strokes. Built with Intex's super strong enhanced molecular formulation PVC, this kayak offers superior strength and durability, providing excellent resistance to high impacts and abrasions. The cockpit design includes a removable and adjustable seat, which creates a comfortable and spacious seating area with ample legroom and room for gear storage. To improve tracking and directional control, it is equipped with a removable skeg on the underside, helping paddlers maintain a straight and steady course. With an inflated size of 9 feet by 2.6 feet by 1.1 feet, the kayak can support up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for most adults. When deflated, it folds easily into a compact carry bag for effortless transportation and storage. The Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak is a practical and budget-friendly option for those seeking a simple, durable kayak for short to moderate paddling trips. Next on our list is the Advanced Elements Inflatable Kayak, which stands out for its superior stability and durability. Featuring a wide beam design, this kayak delivers exceptional balance and control on the water, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced paddlers who want a secure and steady ride during long-distance trips. It is constructed with rugged, multi-layered ripstop polyester and PVC tarpaulin material, offering high resistance to punctures, abrasions, and general wear and tear. This ensures the kayak's reliability and long-lasting performance across different water conditions, whether you are paddling on calm lakes or rivers. Despite its tough, reinforced construction, the kayak weighs only 36 pounds, which makes it easy to carry and transport. When deflated, it folds down compactly to dimensions of 30 inches by 17 inches by 10 inches, allowing for convenient storage in small spaces or transport in a car trunk. The kayak comfortably fits paddlers up to 6 feet 2 inches tall, providing ample legroom and a comfortable seating position to enhance endurance for longer paddling sessions. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, this kayak also allows you to bring along your essential gear and supplies for full-day adventures. The Advanced Elements Inflatable Kayak is a reliable and highly functional option designed for those who seek stability, comfort, and durability in a portable kayak suitable for touring and recreational paddling. Taking the second spot is the Driftsun Rover Inflatable Kayak, a versatile tandem kayak designed for both calm and rough waters. This two-person kayak features a front and rear rocker profile, which enhances maneuverability and reduces tracking, allowing paddlers to navigate smoothly through challenging water conditions. The Rover 220 inflates fully in just 6 minutes and can comfortably seat 2 adults with a maximum combined capacity of 600 pounds, making it perfect for partners or small families. Built with reinforced double-layered polyvinyl chloride (PVC), the kayak offers exceptional durability to withstand obstacles and abrasions commonly encountered in rough waterways. The high-pressure drop-stitch floor adds to its stability and sturdiness, ensuring a solid and secure ride. Adventure seekers will appreciate its ability to handle Class 3 and 4 rapids with speed and control, a feature not often found in inflatable kayaks. The kayak also includes 8 self-bailing ports, tie-down points for gear, and a front action camera mount for capturing your journeys. The package contains 2 adjustable EVA padded seats, 2 adjustable aluminum paddles, a double-action inflation hand pump, a removable tracking fin, and a spacious travel backpack to conveniently carry all the equipment. Weighing only 28 pounds and measuring 12.6 feet long by 38 inches wide, the Driftsun Rover is adventure-ready and perfect for long-distance paddling with comfort and confidence. At number 1, the Intex Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak offers a fantastic balance of portability, stability, and fun for two-person paddling adventures. Weighing just over 35 pounds, this kayak is lightweight and compact, making it easy to assemble and transport. Equipped with Boston valves, it inflates and deflates quickly, allowing you to get on the water faster and pack up with ease. Its 2-piece paddles conveniently disassemble and store in the included carrying bag, ensuring effortless transportation wherever you go. The Explorer K2 is perfect for lakes and mild rivers, providing a sporty and enjoyable paddling experience. Its streamlined design and bright yellow color with sporty graphics not only make it visually appealing, but also highly visible on the water, enhancing safety. Constructed from rugged vinyl, this kayak features an inflatable I-beam floor, a low-profile deck, and high-buoyancy side chambers that deliver excellent stability, comfort, and performance. A removable skeg further improves directional control, helping paddlers maintain a steady course. The kayak measures 10.3 feet long by 3 feet wide by 1.8 feet high when fully inflated, and supports a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, making it suitable for 2 adults with some gear. Included accessories such as 2 86-inch paddles, inflatable seats with backrests, heavy-duty grab handles with grab lines, quick-fill Boston valves, a high-output pump, and a repair patch provide everything you need for a complete kayaking adventure.